Hey, welcome to Dust Kids. This is Noah, and we are going to be doing another versus battle in Imperial Assault. We're going to be doing the Royal Guard Champion versus Chewy. I thought Chewbacca would win. Gage thought the Royal Guard Champion would win. They each cost 15, so we're going to be doing a battle between them. Like before, we're going to be rolling red dice. Whoever gets the most hits goes first. I whooped him, and of course got a 3, and Gage got a 1. So I will be going first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move Chewy 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll use the second action to interact with the door and open it.
My turn. I will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I move 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'll just go right there. Actually, right there.
Scary.
Actually, right there.
Okay. My turn?
Actually, right there.
Stop. Okay. I'm gonna go move 1, and then I'm gonna shoot you with a blue, a red, and a yellow. Okay, so I got like the scariest thing in the world of a hit. Okay. So, I got 6 damage and 2 surges, which I'll do plus 2 damage and stun. So 6 damage goes through, because Gage got 2 blocks, giving him 7 hits left, and he's stunned. For my second action, I'll move 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, I'm sorry.
You should be.
Okay, Gage, go.
Take my stun off. Stupid stun. Now move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, my turn. I will move 1, 2, and then I'll shoot you.
1, 2, I'll shoot you.
Okay, alright, 5 is not enough range. I got 5 range, not enough range, I miss. Okay. In my second action, I move 1, 2. Your turn.
Fine, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What are you doing? Okay, my turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, I can hate you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
I get red, green, and blue.
Okay. Okay, well that was miserable. Okay. So Gage does 2 damage. I have 12 left. Gage has 7 left.
And I have 2 left.
Okay. I will shoot you with the blue, red, and yellow. Okay.
So you have 1 hit.
Have 1. Okay, I'll do plus 2 damage and I'll do stun. So I have 3 damage go through. And Gage is stunned.
Oh yeah, in both ways.
He's sad too.
Alright, my
And
turn.
then I will just move in your face. There.
Alright, I take off my stone and whack you in the head. Alright.
Come with me.
Red, green, yellow.
Red, green, and yellow.
Woo!
Okay. Okay, so
I'll do plus 2 damage.
okay, so 2 damage goes through. Putting Chewbacca at 10 hits left, and the Royal Guard Champion at 4 hits left.
Don't rub it in.
My turn. I'm gonna shoot you. Rolling that. Ooh, nice. I use a surge for plus 2 damage. So 1 damage goes through, and I'll use a surge for stun.
Oh my gosh, what's with you and stun?
Okay. I'm mean.
You're addicted to stuff.
And then I'm gonna use my ability, which is Slam, which I roll a red dice. And he takes that many damage, so he takes 2 damage.
I'm fine.
Which had 1 hit left, and then he moves back 1 space.
Move me back a space?
Mm-hmm.
Do I have reach?
No. Okay.
I'll take that off.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Takes 2 spaces to move through an enemy figure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. Chewy's gonna turn around, and he'll move 1, 2, and he's gonna slam you.
You're gonna miss me.
Bam. 2 damage, which kills the Royal Guard champion. And Chewy is the winner, and I'm the winner of the second video. So, I was right, Gage was wrong, in his face. We'll see you at the next video. Goodbye.